everyone, my name is Robert Badja. I'm a factory team driver and I'm going to explain you which engine I use and its complements. The engine is this one. It's called Bonito 7XLBS. Is it a 7-port engine? I normally use a 5.4 reducer, but if the track is so fast, I can use as well the 6mm reducer. Now I'm going to explain you something about the glow plugs. They are a heating device used to hide the starting engines which we use. In these engines, the mixture of air and fuel is compressed by the piston, and the glow plug helps it to burn and generate work. The glow plugs of our engines are formed of a filament which becomes incandescent thanks to a glow starter. The filament is covered by a platinum layer whose function is to do of transmitter for the ignition of the fuel compressed in the cylinder of the engine. There are several types of glow plugs. It's designed for a type of engine and conditions of operation. The difference between those mainly is the type of filament of the resistance and the type of head used in the engines, if it's normal or turbo. So, to know which glow plug we must use, we could establish that to more temperature in the engine, a colder glow plug will be needed. The percentage of nitro used in the fuel is also important to decide the glow plug. As more nitro, hotter will become the engine. On the other hand, if the temperature is low, we will have to install a glow plug with a thin filament. That it means a hot glow plug. The use of the glow plug also depends how we tune the engine. In order to avoid problems with the glow plugs, I recommend to use glow plugs of proven quality, and I can affirm you that Novarossi glow plugs like this one are made in exceptional quality, and it's up for all type of engines and drivers. Many elements influence the temperature range of a glow plug. First, it is the thickness, the length and the composition and the used filament, and especially the quantity and quality of the platinum that covers the filament. This is the secret and the great difference in the quality between glow plugs of some manufacturers and those of the others. Now, we'll explain you that some points we must have present when we spoke about the glow plugs. The first one is that if the platinum covering of the filament is made in low quality, the engine would present a lot of problems. The second one is that the glow plug runtime and its quality will depend on the quality and quantity of the platinum that contains the filament. And the last one is that the performance of the engine depends directly on how is the glow plug, especially the platinum of the filament, but therefore of the quality of the glow plugs. So many people doesn't think about the glow plugs like an important element for the good working of the engine. The glow plugs are one of the main elements that affect the total operation of the engine, so we have to be careful about it. Finally, and by all of this, I recommend you to use Novarossi glow plugs by its high performance, made with first quality products, especially the platinum used and the exhaustive process of quality made by Novarossi factory. Then we have the pipe here that it's called 9909. We have two kinds, the super strong and the normal one that it's thinner. I usually use the thinner one with this thing to make it harder. However, the super strong have a similar performance and a similar runtime, but it's a little bit harder. With this one I usually use the 41029 manifold, that it's for a Mugen card, and we have the same called 41021 for the other cards that needs a wider manifold but with the same length. Then with all of this I use as well this air cooler that it makes a better performance and a better runtime, especially in the fuel for your engine. So I hope you like it, and I see all you guys driving with the Novarossi.